Let's take a look at the OXVA Xlim Go. Welcome back to the Vampire Vape YouTube channel. My name's Andrew, but before we do anything, go down there, like this video and subscribe too so that you don't miss out on any of our future content. But yes, we are looking at the OXVA Xlim Go today, so let's go down and take a look. So in front of me, I've got the OXVA Xlim Go, and we do have this sort of very strange texture on here. It's not just a straight up plastic or anything like that. This is actually sort of a soft touch, almost leatherette feeling device. So we've got a green colorway just here with the rest of the device, and then this sort of patterned, I don't know, soft touch thing going on. It is definitely more grippy than a plastic or sort of straight up metal device, so it sits into your hands very well. It's not going to slip out at all. We've got an LED on the top just here, which is going to light up when I remove and replace the pod just there. We've got a rubber base on the bottom. We've got a USB-C charge port with a 1000 milliamp hour battery just here. It has a maximum of 30 watts out because there is a range of different pods available, as low as a 0.4 for direct to lung sub-ohm vaping even, so that's why this has got a 30 watt output. I have a 0.8 ohm pod just here, so that's probably about half that. It's probably going anywhere between 10 and 15 watts roughly, and that's going to suit a mouth to lung experience that bit more. We've got adjustable airflow on the side, so you can open it all the way up if you are vaping at 30 watts with a 0.4 pod, or like me, if you're using the 0.8, you can close it right down. We do have disposable pods on the top just here, which are magnetized. So disposable ones are when it's done and it's burnt out, or it's not vaping correctly, or your flavor's not, you know, doing so well just there, or just after about a week's use, then you're going to need to replace this entire piece. But obviously the device itself you keep, and then you just swap over the pod and away you go. We do have an unboxing video and a tutorial video if you want to learn more about prepping and priming your pods and how to get the best life out of them. But the main thing I'm here today to show you is how it performs. So let's have a vape on it. Now I do actually have inside my pod lemon and lime by bar salts. So this is 10 milligram nicotine salt because we'll be mouth to lunging on this 0.8 ohm pod. So let's see how it vapes. I'm going to start off with about a halfway open airflow. I'm not going to go fully open because I don't have a direct to lung pod just here, but halfway is probably a good starting point for a mouth to lung to see and find your preference. So let's see how it vapes. Still very open and airy. So I'm going to close that off right down to where I'd probably like it, like that. Let's try that again. Lots of vapor production, lots and lots of vapor production from this 0.8 ohm pod, and the flavor is very, very strong. So lots of flavor, more flavor than I was anticipating from the 0.8 ohm pod that I've got just here. The lemon and lime is coming through very true to the flavor. I know this flavor very well, and it's very prominent in this pod. It's actually very, very pleasant. It's not what I anticipated. I thought it'd be a little bit more muted, but there we go. I was wrong to assume that because the flavor is very, very intense coming from this pod. And again, the adjustable airflow is a great addition for those that want to tailor their preference in terms of, you know, whether it's open and airy and lots of vapor production, or a bit closed off and tighter draw, maybe replicating a rolled cigarette or something like that. So who is the OXVA Xlim Go for? Now, I would say this is such a simple device, this could even be someone's starter kit, or the next step up from coming from a disposable system or something like that, or even to the point where if you're an advanced vapor like me and want very true flavor with an array of pods on offer with a 1000 milliamp hour battery, up to 30 watts as well, with adjustable airflow, I think this could be actually suitable for anyone's vaping journey needs. So there we have it. What do you think of the OXVA Xlim Go? Let me know down in the comments, and whilst you're down there, like this video and subscribe too. My name's Andrew, this is the Vampire Vape YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.